This is Paul from Model Builder International, and we have another review for you this time from MiniArt, US Soldiers at Rest. So this is the kit. There's 5 figures, 79 parts. It includes playing cards, newspapers in there as well. As you can see, the US soldiers are all in relaxed poses. So have a look on the end. There's a couple more images of US soldiers in army drivers and ammo loading tank crew. That's about it for the other bits. It's the usual end opening box with, usually on the back we have the basically the instructions. It's usually pretty easy to work out what goes where. And then we have the colours called out in Vallejo, Testors, Tamiya, Humble Level, Mr. Colour and Life Colour, and then the names in English and Russian. That all looks pretty straightforward. Let's have a look inside the box. Everything comes in one bag. So I'll just quickly open the bag. Okay, so what do we have? We have, actually gives sprues on the back. Well, it doesn't mention what sprues are in here, but we have, basically there's the 5 figures. Each figure is in its own little square. And then we also have 5, looks like these are these identical sprues. 5 sprues that look a lot. Basically 5 identical sprues with weapons and small pieces. And then the other thing, we have a piece of paper with, let's have a look here, there's a newspaper, a couple of magazines, and if I can hold this up close enough, I'll probably have to put a photograph in here, but there's 52 tiny playing cards there for you to cut out. So those will be interesting. So then, small pieces, it's single thread, very small attachment points. Can't see any eject pin markings, but the level of detail is very good, as you'd expect. And for the figures, I'll put some photographs of these up. But the detail looks rather nice. Again, the screw attachment points are very small. With the figures, the heads are complete. It's not got separate faces. Nice folds in the clothing. They look rather nice. I'll just do this one up. Yeah, they look nice, nicely detailed. They should go together. So I'll just take some photographs and I'll put some photographs up on the screen. So overall, this is another nice figure kit from MiniArt. Pretty straightforward, 5 nicely posed figures with their weapons close by. Most soldiers spend most of their time waiting for something to happen, so this will be really useful in dioramas. Many thanks for MiniArt to sending it along for review.